All right, what's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and I am the Clean Business GOAT. And I'm gonna try to do a real short video today, and I just want to kind of share with y'all, basically the new and changes to Clean Biz Network. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen here. Let's go over to the website. And so first, you would notice that now when you come here, when you come to join, it takes you here now, right? So we used to have two plans. We no longer have the Clean Business Automation plan here. All right. So what does Clean Business Network membership come with? Well, number one, and most importantly, it comes with our all-in-one Clean Business management software. So not and everything that's included in it is a bidding calculator, proposal generator, walkthrough reports, inspection reports. You can it has a whole CRM, so you can send out emails, texts. You can track everything, your social media management. Everything is all within our software. Create your websites, unlimited funnel creation, email marketing, you name it. Our software can do it for your company. All right, invoicing and much more. People can even pay their bills through the software. All right. So it comes with our software. It also comes with the Cleaning Business Starter course. So the starter course is going to teach you absolutely everything you need to know from A to Z, from the simple stuff like getting your EIN number and your LLC, all the way to the more complex things on how to actually get commercial cleaning customers, how to hire, what forms you need. We give you the samples, the templates, we give you the cold call script, all of that type of stuff. All right. So that's that. All right. Then we also do a monthly call every single month. I hop on a monthly call with you. So that's what the monthly payment will get you as well. You get access to the private Facebook group for the Clean Business Network. And so obviously I'm only one guy and I'm pretty busy. And so I can't be every single way at all times for you, right? But that's why we got the Facebook group so you can tag and you can post at any time in that group. Our members are super active in there. So even if I don't reply every single time, they will, right? And if you tag me, typically I'm going to reply anyway. All right. You can manage your Google My Business account here, Google Business Profile. Like I said, you can build websites, funnels, there's unlimited amounts. You can send phones. I mean, you can make phone calls, you can send texts. And by the way, all of the phone calls made in our software is automatically recorded. So you don't need a third-party recording system, anything like that. You can send emails, like I said before. We have automation tools. So what that means is it can do stuff like automatically text back a client if you missed a call, automatically text back. You can send email sequences. So email sequences like you want to send a bunch of marketing emails in an automatic sequence, you can do that. Like I said, social media management, so many things that this automation can do. All right. For example, if you click right here and sign up today, once you put in your information here, guess what? You're going to automatically get a text from my company because I set up an automation to do that. Because this whole site right here that you're looking at is built on the Clean Business Network software. All right. We have leads. All right. So the leads are optional. You can purchase a lead subscription at a discount because obviously you can get leads if you're not a Clean Business Network member and sign up for one of our lead subscription plans. But if you're a CBN member, you do get a discount on those. All right. And then you can also order a starter kit of equipment if you choose to. All right. But it's also for extra fee. So everything here is all included with Clean Business Network membership. All right. I will kind of demo a little bit. Let's see. But I think it's this tab right here. So this is the back end of Clean Business Network. So when you first log in, well, actually, the very first time you log in, you'll see the launch pad, and it's going to tell you to download the app, connect to your Google Business Profile, all of that type of stuff, right? But this is what you're typically going to see every time you log in after that first time. And so this will be your dashboard, and it's going to show like the different leads that you have available. All right. So I don't really use this account right now, but if I had leads current, they'll show you all of the open leads that you have. If you won any leads, if you closed any leads, if you got some still open, whatever the case might be, all of that will show right here in your dashboard. And actually, we send a weekly report too of the summary, so you can see exactly how each week went. And in the reporting tab down here, it even shows if you got multiple salespeople and stuff. Let's just go down to it right quick. It'll show you your Google Ads information here. It'll show you your Facebook ad information there. You can even look at agent reporting. So let's just say you got multiple salespeople. It'll show you, okay, well, the leaderboard right here show you which agent or which one of your salespeople is doing the best in sales and all of that type of stuff. All right. As you can see, you can create. Well, let's start from the top. This is conversation tabs where you can manage all of the conversations between you and your customers, whether it's on Instagram, Facebook, email, text, you name it, Google My Business, wherever you conversate with your customers, it'll all come here, even the chat on your website. Your calendars, you can manage your calendars, have people book directly with you, where you just create a calendar here, so you can create multiple different types of calendars here. You can manage all of the contacts. So anybody you ever contact, no matter what platform or how you made it, whether it was on the phone, whatever the case may be, they'll be in your contacts here. Opportunities tab is what drives that dashboard tab. So this is where you will put all of your leads. So if I had a lead in here, it would be create a little rectangle just like these look, but with the person's name on it, and then or the company's name, and you can drag it to each step until you either actually close a deal, and then once you close the deal, you can drag it down. It'll be a one thing. Once you grab a lead, you can drag it down here to the one section, to the abandoned section, or to the lost section. So they'll pop up if I was actually grabbing a lead right now. All right, payments is where you can go to actually collect payments. Like I said, you can get collect payments right here through Clean Biz Network software. All right, all you would do is create a Stripe account, connect your Stripe to CBN, and then you can create your invoices, send them right over, and your customers can pay digitally through the Clean Biz Network software. All right. The marketing tab, that's where you go to send your email marketing, manage your social media, all of that type of stuff. All right. And if you even wanted to have affiliates, to sell your stuff, you can create an affiliate program, pay people a percentage of whatever you want to pay them, of whatever your product is, and you can do that. This is the automations tab I was telling you about earlier, where you can set up a bunch of different automations to do whatever you want. If somebody texts you the word hi in Instagram, you can set up an automation to automatically reply to them with whatever you want to say. All right, this is where you create your websites. This right here will be where you create either A, courses if you wanted to sell courses, or B, courses to teach your people how to training, like all your training and stuff like that. You want to create a program, like an actual curriculum, to show them, okay, but this is the training program. So when you hire somebody, you want to create a course, and you can actually put them through that. All right, so that's called an LMS, a learning management system. All right, your reputation, that's where you can manage all of your reviews, whether it's on Google My Business, whether it's on any social media, all of that. The reporting tab I showed you already. The app marketplace, that's just there. We don't mess with that. The mobile app, this is where you can go to download the Clean Biz Network mobile app if you don't have it already. All right, then you got the bidding calculators. This is where you can go in and bid on commercial jobs, residential jobs, or special jobs. So special jobs are like one-time jobs, like pressure washing. What else you got? Stripping, waxing, carpet cleaning, you name it. We got a calculator for it pretty much, as long as within that cleaning niche or close to it. Proposal generators. So it's two proposal generators. You can either use these. These are a little bit more limited, but they're easier to use. They're the classic ones that we've been had since Calculated Clean Days for those who've been around. But then we also, if you go to payments up here, I show you inside the course how to use the advanced one, where you can get creative with it and even add a video sales letter to your proposal. So, but inside of the course, I show you how to do all of that. All right. And then obviously you can sign up for a lead there. And then here is Clean Biz University, which is where all of your courses will be. If you would want, so you automatically get a Clean Biz starter course that comes with your membership. But if you decide, you can also buy any one of the other courses that we offer. All right. And they will all be in here. All right. And so inside the Clean Biz starter course, that's where you always will start. The moment you buy this, once you sign up to Clean Biz Network, go straight to the Clean Biz automation course. Inside of the automation course, and the intro module is going to have the link to the Facebook group with the password to get into the Facebook group. It's going to have different instructions about when the monthly call is, the link to the monthly call, and all of that. All right. The resource tab is just additional resources. Like I have links to getting your American Express business credit card. I have links to getting your insurance and so many more things. So you can check that out. Affiliate portal is where you would go if you want to sell Clean Biz Network yourself, right? So if you want to be an affiliate of us, you just click the affiliate portal, get your affiliate link, you share it to somebody. If they pay, you get 50% commission on Clean Biz Network memberships every single time the person pays if they signed up through you. All right. Then here, this is actually the link to join the monthly Zoom call, as well as you can watch the previous calls, as well as we have tutorials in this link as well. So this would be to join the call. This is where you would click to go look at previous calls, and then here's some tutorials about the actual system itself. All right. And so that's pretty much the back end of the Clean Biz Network total software. And so you can get to the courses two different ways, here in the back end right here, or you can just go to Clean Biz University and log in directly that way. It's cleanbizuniversity.com. All right. So that is everything that you would get with Clean Biz Network, in addition to the monthly calls with me, as well as the Facebook group and all of that. So that's what you get when you join. And the cost is $9.97 down. And then for 60 days, we will not charge you, because we want to make sure you, because we figured for 60 days, as long as you apply exactly what I'm telling you to do inside the Clean Biz Starter course, you're going to definitely get you a customer, at least one. And at least one will cover the monthly fee. The monthly fee after 60 days is $99 a month. And the $99 a month basically covers you still keeping access to the software and to your course. But we will still allow you to stay in the Facebook group, even if you, for whatever reason, need to stop the $99 per month payments. But you will lose access to everything, all of our digital products, the software, as well as the course. All right. So that is the overview of it. Now, if for any reason you can't put the $997 down and pay the $99 a month, that's fine. I have a smaller solution for you for now. All right. And that is called Calculated Clean. So if you just need to know how to bid, create proposals, all of the basics. So it's walkthroughs, calculators, proposals, inspections, and basic invoice generators. Now, these are not like the invoices that are in our main Clean Business Network platform. They're not digital. So the invoices in CBN are, you can actually pay them online, right? Your customers can pay them directly to you and you get it directly to your account. With these ones, they're just PDF form. So it'll create a PDF for you, invoice PDF, and you can just email it to your client, but the client would have to email you a check mail you a check or something like that. All right. So just to be clear on that. So if you want Calculated Clean instead, it's a little more affordable. The pricing is $49 a month with a 7-day free trial. All right. But there's no coaching, there's no Facebook group, there's no course. It's just straight these tools right here. All right. So I highly recommend that you get the full package. Go to Clean Business Network. But I get it. Everybody, got to start somewhere. So if you have absolutely nothing, go ahead and start your free trial on Calculated Clean. So hope that helps everybody. I'm gonna stop it right here, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thank y'all.